Hi, this is Toyota Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Toyota RAV4, stock number 7148. It's run from the 12th 2012 to the 12th 2018. Has a 3ZR RAV4, 2-litre, 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a 3ZR RAV4, 2-litre, 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory maker tyre, left-hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory maker tyre, right-hand taillight, right rear 18-inch factory maker tyre, right rear door no dents, right-hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory maker tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,